Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a character to favorites in Mortal Kombat. Making a character as a favorite helps you quickly find and use your main fighters during battles. This guide shows you exactly how to do it. First of all, launch open Mortal Kombat application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Mortal Kombat, go ahead and tap on the collection button at the top left corner, and once you do that, this will open up the characters tab. Inside the characters tab, select one of the character you'd like to mark as a favorite, and once you're inside their info section, tap on the star icon at the top right above their avatar. Now soon after you do that, you will be able to add the character to your favorite list. Now you can get back to the roster, and then your character is added to favorites, making it easy to access them for battles or upgrades. Repeat these steps for any other character you want to favorite and organize your roster effectively. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.